3 weeks, 21 days. Take a moment to let that sink in. You have officially crossed the 3/4 mark of our Faith Foundation's journey. Think about how much your listening ear has sharpened since day one. You aren't just letting sound pass through your head anymore. You are learning to let the Word of Christ actively rewrite your reality. Welcome to Day 21. Today, we are pausing for our Week 3 recap. We are anchoring the profound truths we've uncovered over the last 7 days, so we can launch into our final 9 days completely unshakable. This past week was all about the walk, taking what we hear internally and letting it drive our external life. Let's look back at the ground we conquered. Day 16. We faced the fog and learned to walk by faith, not by physical sight. Day 17. We dealt with reality and discovered that when we stumble, God's voice speaks immediate restoration, not condemnation. Day 18. We realized we can't do this on our own fuel. We learned to ask for the daily oil of the Holy Spirit. Day 19. We took the inward turn, trading our megaphones for mirrors, and stopped hearing the word just to fix other people. Day 20. We looked outward to the church, recognizing that our individual lamps burn brightest when we connect with a community of believers. Every single one of these days was designed to make your foundation rock solid. As we stand at the edge of our final week, I want to ask you the ultimate question for this stage of the journey. Who is driving your steps? Is it the panic of the world's news? Is it the noise of human opinion? Or is it the steady, living word, Christ? By choosing to prioritize your listening ear for 21 days, you have made a declaration to the spiritual realm that you belong to the light. Don't look back now. The foundation is set and the path ahead is ready. Your Day 21 challenge is our weekly tradition, the comment check-in. In the comments section below, type out the phrase, "My ears are open." Then, write down just one breakthrough, prayer answered, or shift in mindset you've experienced this week. Let's encourage the church community reading this right now. Tomorrow, we step into Week 4, Walking in Light. We are going to look at armor, defense, and how to stay consistent for a lifetime as we kick off Day 22, Shield of Faith, Defending Your Light. I'm Matthew Padiachi, and this is Faith by Hearing. I am incredibly proud of your consistency. Rest up today, keep your ears open, and I will see you tomorrow for the final stretch.
Three weeks, 21 days, let that sink in. We've crossed the line, we're moving past the shore. Day 21, anchor your soul, we're stepping in that stride, taking what we heard and letting it be our guide. Day 16, we faced the fog and chose to walk by faith. Day 17, when we stumbled, his restoration took the place of blame. Day 18, traded up the mirror, letting truth refine by side. A rock-solid foundation where the shadows cannot hide. We are stepping in the deep, we are standing unshakable. The foundation is set, and the chains are unbreakable. No longer drifting on the waves of human opinion or fear. We are anchored in the rhythm of the listening ear. 3 weeks in the light, and we're not looking back. We've got the word of Christ for everything we lack. So look at the horizon as we face the final week. Who is driving every single step that you seek? Is it the panic of the news or the noise of the crowd? Or is it living word speaking clear and loud? By choosing to listen, you have made your stand, a declaration to the realm that you belong to His hand. Type it out, shout it out, let the church community hear. My ears are open and I'm casting out the fear. One breakthrough, one mindset shift, one answered prayer. Encourage the brother, lift the sister next to you. The path ahead is ready and the signal is true. Standing unshakable, the foundation is set, and the chains are all breakable. No longer drifting on the waves of human opinion or fear. We are anchored in the rhythm of the listening ear. 3 weeks in the light, and we're not looking back. We've got the word of Christ for everything we lack. Rest up today, keep your ears open wide. The final stretch is coming with the Spirit by our side. Faith by hearing, yeah, we're stepping in the deep.